10 effective digital marketing strategies for 2023. Expert tips and tactics. Marketing is a constantly evolving field, and staying up to date with the latest trends and strategies is crucial to remain competitive in 2023. Here are 10 effective marketing strategies that businesses can implement to succeed this year. Embrace personalization. Customers expect personalized experiences, so businesses should focus on using data to deliver customized messaging and offers. Prioritize video marketing. Video content is one of the most engaging forms of content, so businesses should invest in creating high-quality video content for their marketing campaigns. Leverage influencer marketing. Partnering with influencers can help businesses reach new audiences and build trust with customers. Use chatbots to enhance customer experience. Chatbots can help businesses provide 24/7 support to customers and improve response times. Focus on local SEO. With more consumers using voice search and mobile devices, optimizing for local search is crucial for businesses with physical locations. Invest in content marketing. Creating high-quality content can help businesses attract and retain customers, as well as improve their search engine rankings. Utilize social media advertising. Social media platforms offer highly targeted advertising options, making it a cost-effective way for businesses to reach their target audience. Implement account-based marketing. This strategy involves targeting high-value accounts with personalized campaigns, which can help businesses land bigger deals and improve ROI. Leverage AI and machine learning. These technologies can help businesses analyze data, automate tasks, and personalize marketing campaigns for better results. Offer exceptional customer service. Providing excellent customer service is key to building brand loyalty and positive word-of-mouth marketing. By implementing these 10 effective marketing strategies, businesses can set themselves up for success in 2023 and beyond. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss out on our latest content.